the December 2019 BoxyCharm Standard box. This is the last one of the year, guys. So before we get into the unboxing, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and at this point, I haven't had my coffee yet, so good luck, friends. Proceed with caution, maybe? I don't know. Here we completely embrace the hot mess. Oh my goodness, can you tell I'm a mom? And they dance. I know. If they watch this, they're gonna be so annoyed. Anyways, hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, and become part of the Hot Mess Express, where we are a judgment-free zone. So let's go ahead and just jump into this unboxing. I'm making the intro really long. Okay guys, so jumping right in, this is the December 2019 BoxyCharm Standard Box. Now, there are 3 different tiers to BoxyCharm. Like I said, this is a standard box. This is $25 plus tax. You do receive all full-size products, and you are guaranteed at least $125 worth of product in your box every month. This is, like I said, a monthly subscription service. Now, you can choose to do a premium, which is $35, and at least a value of $175. And then if you are a member and you're receiving one of those, you can, I am way too talkative with my arms. But anyways, if you are a member, you can also have the option to quarterly receive the Boxy Luxe, which is $49.99 total. And oh my gosh, guys, if you have not seen my December Boxy Luxe unboxing, check up here, click that link, or wait to the end of the video and click the little thumbnail. $390 worth of product. It was amazing. Anyhow, let's actually stay on focus, Rhonda. Okay, so jumping right into the box, the first thing you guys always ask is how much does this weigh? I just checked it on my mail scale. It is 1 pound, 3.4 ounces. So as far as variation goes, this is what it looks like on the inside, by the way, guys. And let me check. The variation is variation 1. And the way you're going to be able to find that out is, like I said, when you open this up, there's going to be a card. The card tells you the theme. And right here, it is BoxyCharm Whimsy. So that is the theme of this December 2019 standard box. On the back of the card where it shows you guys the variation, it actually will tell you each and every single item that is in this box, a little bit about that item, as well as how much the retail value is. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And again, like I said, this is full-size products. This is what the box looks like. Now, this was also an option in our Boxy Luxe. It does have a retail value of $79. Y'all, I'm 41 years old, so I am all about upping my skincare game as much as possible. And if I can get high-end, great luxury skincare in a $25 box, yes, yes. Yes, please. Okay, so a little bit about this. It's a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles and leaving the skin with a luminous glow. Like I said, it does have a retail value of $79. So the box has done been paid for. Okay, the next item we did receive, and again, I did not peek. I have no clue. That's the thing, guys. Like, if you come to my channel and you want a guarantee of me telling you everything that you potentially could be getting, it's not gonna happen. Because I don't do like the sneaky peekies, like when you get the email to let you know everything. I'll pick. Sometimes I'll do that customization option. Sometimes I don't. So this is the Estetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. Oh, this is really nice. I'm really excited. Again, it's full size. Haley had actually gotten me the conditioner from Sephora one year as a gift, and it was amazing. And the nice thing about this is cleanser and conditioner, so it'll help with my brushes, and that has a retail value of $12. Next, it looks like we got a Ciate London Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. So here's what the box looks like. Now, I did get a bronzer in my Boxy Luxe, and I really like it. It does kind of show a little bit of texture, but the color is so pretty, I let it slide. Okay, so this is a retail value of $26. Ooh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Not mad about that. That is actually gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of the Hourglass blush. Okay, moving on from there, we did get the Brow Bar, at least in version 1. We got the Brow Bar by, is it Rena? True Brown. In this shade light, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? I don't know if my camera can focus on there. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. This is perfect. So you get your wax and then you have 2 different colors. So you could do light, beginning of the brow and the lighter shade, and then the end and the darker, and then it has the brow gel and then a brush and everything. Like a whole doggone set. That is awesome. Wow, that is a retail value of $30. Ooh, look at the, okay, so I got in my box is by Storybook Cosmetics. This is the fairy, look at that. It's the Fairy Tale palette. Robin Hood. Is that, you guys? Immediately, it made me think of my Natasha Denona, what is this one? The mini gold palette. Let me see. Oh my gosh! Look at that, how similar. Okay, guys, so if you did not pick this palette up, I mean, the greens may be a little off, but I bet you we could create very similar looks. So this Storybook Cosmetics palette does retail for $35. Like, how cute is that? That is so doggone cute. I will definitely be coming back and doing looks because I've been doing the Shop My Stash videos and Shop My Eyeshadow Palette stash. So this is definitely going to come back. You guys are going to see this, but these colors are so pretty. I've got a swap. Oh, and they're very creamy. I don't know if my camera will pick that up. Oh my gosh. How pretty. Oh, I really like this. I really, really like this. This reminds me so much of this little $25 palette. Wow. Okay. I am excited. You guys definitely make sure to subscribe because I will be coming back and doing a look. So that is everything in the December version 1 BoxyCharm standard box. Again, $25 for this box, guys, and everything came to a grand total of $132. So everything that I received in this month's box, $132. You're guaranteed at the very least $125. So I think that this box was very good. Like, very good. I will legitimately use every single item in this box. I do want to let you guys know this video is not sponsored. The box was sent to me complimentary from BoxyCharm, so thank you, BoxyCharm, for sending this for me to review. The wonderful thing about BoxyCharm is they send this and they're like, just give us your honest opinion. So I love everything. Like I said, this Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Oil has me very, very excited. I wanted it for my BoxyLuxe because I hear amazing things about rose hip, all of that, and everything is beautiful. Like, I'm so excited. Let me know down below, guys, what version of BoxyCharm, if you received the standard box, what version did you guys get? What was your items? Because I love reading the comments and you guys letting me know, like, oh, I got this and I got that, and I love hearing about it. Anyways, guys, definitely let me know down below. Don't forget, there are still 2 giveaways going on right now on our channel. One is for the $100 Visa gift card, and the other one is for the Alter Ego Aurora palette. So definitely check the description box down below to enter into those giveaways. If you guys are interested in picking up your own BoxyCharm box, whether that be standard, premium, or luxe, I will leave a link listed down below. I'll pin the post for you guys. That's an affiliate link, just letting you guys know. Make sure that if you do decide to sign up with BoxyCharm, share your referral link to your friends, because if your friends sign up, you get something for free, they get something for free, and you also earn Charmer rewards. And that way, when you earn those rewards and they build up and build up and build up, you can go into the Charmer store and pick things up. You're welcome. I feel like a lot of people don't know about that. Anyways, guys, that is going to be all for today. Make sure to follow me over on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. We're doing some Vlogmas over there, as well as on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hope you decide to subscribe before you leave. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Coffee time!